Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand variables and data types in brief. So let's get started. Now friends, when it comes to software, when it comes to program, what exactly we do? We in fact process data and we represent the processed data, right? So in here, for example, we have two data set. 125 is a data, a simple number, we haven't processed it. Whereas we also have a yet another data set which is Chand, and this is nothing but my name, and again we haven't processed my name. And for example, we have a program which needs this 125 number in order to process it and in order to use it for some processing purposes. Now understand this, whenever we would like to process data, we need to keep the data first of all before processing. Where we will keep the data? Definitely, in order to keep the data, we will require some space in memory. And this space in memory is what? This space in memory is nothing but your variable. We can give any name to this variable, for example, x, y, z, right? And using the name of the variable, we can access the data which is inside the variable. Again, what is a variable? Variable is space in memory. Alright, so definitely we can store the data 125 inside this variable, and definitely we can process the variable later down the line in our program, which is cool enough, which is nice, right? Now friends, this is important. Whenever we store a data in a variable, we need to also define what type of data would be stored. For example, 125 is an integer. It's a number, right? As a result, the type of the variable is int. Then only we would be able to store 125. Likewise, for example, if we would like to store data Chand inside a int variable, then Java will simply not allow it. So data type is important. What is data type? Data type, as the name suggests, is the type of data which would be stored in a variable. Now friends, don't worry even if you are not able to understand fully the concept of data and variable. We will definitely dig more into it. We will check data type in detail, but this is a high level discussion. What is a data type? Data type is nothing but the type of variable in which we will store a data, right? So if we would like to store a string type of data, then we have to specify the data type as a string. Then only the variable will be able to store a string data. So Chand is nothing but a string. A string is a word, for example, right? So Chand is my name, Chand is a string, and if we store Chand inside a string variable, we can definitely do so. Alright, so variable has a type, and that type is what? That type is nothing but your data type. To summarize, variable is a space in memory, and we have to specify type of data for variable in order to store the data. Alright, so this is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.